Hello all.
Oh, I hate that. Just coming in, it was saved for the last live stream, and it's going back to 100% music. The SFX was in 80%, coming back to 100%. This is so boring. The server is so piece of shit. Hello and welcome back to Asphalt Legend Unite on these Death Nation for Real, episode 191. It's gonna be a 2 hours one, and then I'm gone, mostly. So, yeah, weekend comes up. Was a bit working today. Moving from household to household, better say. Saved already. So now my back hurts a bit. Stupid stairs, you know. Let me check if the microphone is on or not. Yeah, and rest actually in here. Let's see if I can actually hold low live something up in here, or maybe we already done with that and playing just multiplayer or something else. So yeah, then cheers up, Campagner Strawberry Salute, so vi skal prøve de next stream, and let's see what's coming up. Come by us.
Spotty Live Jam music in here from today, URL.
Nah, nah, nah. Oh, it's this little crashings. Something's boring me here, and that is... Where's the pilot toy? It says jacket, right? Maybe I got another one here. Oh, two of them. It's so cold today. Yeah, I crashed there. Thought actually let's go to the left side, but the corner was a little bit too sharp. Side by side. Das will die wollen da Pflaster da oben drauf. Die Menschen mit Fantasie aus. PVC. PVC Pflaster mit Splitmuster. Die Anti-Rutschmatten drauf da, oder? Yeah, I'm standing in front of the toilet. I thought actually I need to go to pee. Well, I was drinking actually today a liter beer for 2 hours ago. I can't. Or is it? A victory! Well, yesterday and for 2 days ago, actually, it was so much raining. I was stay at home, but I was eating too much. That's when no live stream was coming out. Actually, I'd say it was actually, but not racing live streams for drinking and smoking, you know. So Mr. Snot. And I'm lousy bored today, and I don't know. Not my day. No, no. Speed up, dude. That was the chair, okay? I'll let you know when I'm farting. But this ends in 5 days. 19 days. Oh, crack. What the hell is that? Jump ball. Your names for racing games parts that you're just racing. Why is it so weird names? Hand, rear and wings. Jump ball. What the fuck? No. Cheers up, Campiner Struggle, so this will lose Goldpost die next spielen. Something is missing, the music, right? I pinned it on actually in a live chat and top chat in the live stream. And no, I don't know. If you have Spotify, enjoy. Otherwise, no. Pump it up. I have your plugs actually in and the headset over for the game. So sorry for that one. But it's very annoying when I want to listen actually my favorite music. And kind of this is actually the playlist on Spotify. I made Asphalt Legends X since 2 months now. And so I'm listening for that. So, ganbarimasu. them up. Your carnival 5 seconds airtime. That's just a scratch. Yes! Oh my god, I couldn't stop the vehicle anymore. That was more than 5 seconds. Let's show with your weird visual talking there. You meanie motherfucker. There's another one. Oh, come on. Perfect nitros. When? Ah, it's foul tokens. It's more actually, it was just 5 style coins. I just was saying visual coins. Good, okay. You with your coins, dude, and tokens. Can I go down below for next? Gosh damn it. Use toilet paper. Even actually more worth. Should be number 3, right? Let's just say yes. You again. Catchies. Also far away, right? Of these 400. Nissan or Lexus? Lexus. Lexus. Yeah. I'm over right. Let's see. What we can do done. 1200. Still loading? Man, server. Not my connection. Oh yeah, we can do done something. Oh crack. Let's hear it a bit. But whoa, we get 800 hololives for tokens. Look at that. Ugh. 2 shockwaves. We ever did 75? No. Oh creep. That's oh crack. Let's just try. It's just about these 75 tokens, and my best score was 50, right? doing, D-pad? Hmm. I let the touch drive first. Then let's see what's really going wrong there. Let's see what's coming up, right? Gun about it.
Just think of it as the Autobahn. Unlimited speed!
First mistake. Second mistake. Oh my gosh. Wow, where are we going? Das geworden ist. Oh, okay. Oh, this is gonna be a hard nut. That's gonna be a hard nut. It's gonna be a hard nut. The car has right now reached star 2, right? But nothing changed. Nothing was getting better. Nothing was getting better. So it's on me. Oh gosh, please. Shoot me. I'm not good in this actually technical ways in here to go. As these, whatever it calls, touch drive was actually going into the river as well. And all the times when I'm starting up to full speed, I don't want to touch actually these, what's it calling anyway? Music tokens there or whatever they are. Oh gosh. Every second counts. It's just 25 more tokens there, I know. Oh.
Members of my fab flock always give it their best. So, Jailbird, get in there and win that race!
Okay, I couldn't decide as well because the car don't want to go there. Crazy fuck. Okay, it's not beatable. When I don't can deal on that one. Shit. Oh man, what the hell. No chance. No chance. The way is too long. The way is too long. Oh crap. And there's nothing coming. 75 to do done in here? Impossible. I tried actually the second jump. I couldn't actually reach it. Let's try again. But the car is so unmovable and you don't know where you have to actually get into the nitro. Because the next corner is coming, it's very important actually. And the signs are much too big. You don't know if you have to handle a little bit maneuver left or right. Because you middle in the signs and you see nothing. The Sonic coins, that was awesome to deal done because you saw everything how you can deal done left or right. That was small. That was awesome. But these big tokens, oh man. I don't know. Ah, I don't want to get aggressive again. But they make me already. Fucking hell. I can't even do the shockwaves because I'm busy to collect these fucking music signs. This is so retard stupid. You have to collect so much in the beginning because in the end, but the time is running out and this is so
Crazy! Oh wait, we're just starting, aren't we?
Yeah, now you have to crash because there's no way to go somewhere else. And you're losing a lot of time. Shockwaves. Das ist immer wieder soweit. I can't reach them. I can't reach them with the vehicle. Ah! This is impossible! The car is so sloppy to go left and right. It's because the tongue weighs so much. Forget about it. I don't want to get aggressive. Maybe I can deal done it, but I have no the calm today. No, I had to go to a restaurant today and no. There is no way to go there. You just crashed there. Maybe you can deal it. Maybe I can deal it done when I'm calmed down this other day or something. But today I have another, what's it calling in English? Got fucking shit. I get whatever. No, and no. But like I just go offline. I just give a fuck, and maybe when I have a better, longer time or something. But not for today. There's another meeting actually, and very important actually. But this game is not important for me today. Fuck it. Seriously, fuck it. Sometimes it works like hell, and I don't know how I can calm down so much into this game. But today it already pisses me off when I see so many left, right, and you don't know where I have to go. The Shockwave was awesome. Okay, twice. We can deal done that. But no, I'm not trying this again. I hate to try 5 million times something, and I can't beat it. It's bullshit. If it's not working on the second time, forget about it. It's not going better. That makes me aggressive. No. Next. You're bullshit there all the times. A lot of time I say, gonna be happy when I have that icon, but I don't need it anymore. I'm pissed. I'm not happy for that. My hands are already shaking. This is totally bullshit. 2 days break. Don't forget about it. It's been nice to get the 800 whatever music coins or whatever. That pisses me already off. To say these coins you don't know how they're calling. How to get what they called. What they have to get called. Music sign stuff or symbols. What they call, right? And every month something else. Bleh. And I'm on this game since 4 months now. Not completely 4 months every day. But kind of say actually this is my 191 episode. And today they actually kind of saying 2 hours long. So that means actually I'm into this game kind of 400 hours. Since 4 months. Not more. Whatever and the fucking whatever. But when something's not working out, it pisses me immediately on. Hololive tokens. Yeah, you with tokens. This word already is a Sega. Token is a Sega word. Ah, my heart hurts. What the hell? Everything's gonna be pissed me so fast off and this stupid stuff in here. You try something, I can't deal it done. I should actually shut off the console immediately. But I'm not a quitter. Okay, I see. See that? Nothing happens here. So it is actually stage 2. The only I can't deal done, the 800 tokens. Everything else is not more workable because I've worked it out actually 4 times already. Even on the other accounts, on the other 2 accounts. 3 accounts. I used even DJ Vol'jin account. Nope, 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 and nope, nope. There's something to be done. Just finish the race. How easy is that? But it doesn't matter. Ah, I forgot something. It doesn't matter. I'm sorry. I just overreact. I see that stupid symbols in here, the music symbols. We don't care about them. We need these Hololive tokens, right? Now we got 1180. And I forgot. From 50 to 66 we already get. On stage 2. So these are important. Why I care on these one? I shit don't care. I'm an idiot. Thank you very much for a comment actually from you guys. Yeah, so much about that one. That's why normally I don't make up a microphone off actually in here because I was talking shit in the beginning. Cool, good. It's all about actually collecting. But these are not important. Just you get money and stuff, yeah. But it's how far or fast or better how much music tokens, Hololive tokens, please, holy fuck. Makes me a knot in my tongue as a German Bavarian to speak that in English out. You get a knot in your tongue. I forget about it. Just have fun and I just shovel off my microphone and get my aggression to myself. Where's the mirror? Where's the mirror to talk to myself?
Two zero Hololive tokens left for a next stage. Sound easy, eh? No. LOL. Grandpa smile.
Do you smell that? Yeah, that smells like a wongy victory! Let's get it!
What happened? 36, 29. Is this called seriously so slow? Man, the time ticks in the first corner already to 0. You need to be on ecstasy or something, or LSD or speed. I don't know. You're not harming around in here. Some tracks are easy to play, but you say, oh wow, 100 already. But some of these are so weird. 36 I did. Okay, forget about it. Can't deal that done anymore. I'm already get after 2 days actually old, or just forgot how I should say get that. Forget about it. 77. Normally I can say forget about it as well. There's no different about actually a D core, a B core, A core, doesn't matter, it's just a rank. Sometimes it feels like this game is so weird. Multiplayer, sometimes you can beat guys with a D core when they're driving an S core. Some kind of feels like that.
1, 2, 3, let's go! Show them what you got.
Done.
Step on the pedal
Wait,
to the
one
metal.
bottom out. Oh, I can't get the corner. Yeah, sure. I didn't know if I'm drifting or not drifting anymore. Ay, this game. Is it getting worse or something? I can't get the corner right. Fuck it then. I really tried to get the corner. I really tried hard. Fuck this game. I don't want anymore. Sharpen coming in. Nothing. Sometimes it's better that let the whatever playing this touch drive. It's if you play yourself, you're losing so much speed and power and all the time. And the stupid nitro is useless in this game mode. So useless. Only in a strange line maybe you can use it, but for nothing because you crash in the next corner. Cause you can't drift anymore because some cars you don't know if you drift or not. It feels like you are drifting. Sometimes you have a lot of grip on drift. Weird. But if you let drive actually these stupid, yeah, whatever, I don't know what it's called. God damn it, please let me out of here. I'm totally overdosed by information that I don't want to have in my brain of this childish game.
One, two, three, let's go! Show them what you got. Step on the pedal to the metal.
What a Desister 1.
1, 2, 3, let's go! Show them what you got. Step on the pedal to the metal.
Why these questions all the times? I have nothing completed, goddammit. Let me just play. Last time I tried actually 2 times, get the touch drive in the middle of the race, get off. It wasn't work.
Jailbird, if you win this one, I
I was so
promise I'll
pissed.
improve your union contract. So, give it all you've got.
Not the fastest AI. Tried to jump there, but there was no option. Oh, this is so doomsday. Oh, finally. Let's see what the next stage brings. More doomsday. Oh no, I didn't press that one. That's actually my account I tried for a couple of days. DJ Wojin has already platin. Defnation CP is standing in front of it. The other one with the big star is Yamamoto Unijiro. It's actually these Need for Speed Takeshi Sato account. And the newest account in a couple of weeks is Defnation for real. I mean, for real, as the YouTube account. I created that because I want to play actually video games through without having game saves, save wizard in my back. I just want to play actually video games through, and But not even if you just watch it right now, the PlayStation Network ID definition for real, you can't find games actually on the game list on my profile. That's weird. And I play more than 13 games actually already and have 9 platines already, so weird. I don't know. PlayStation Network on PlayStation 4 says the next year anyway we shut down, so prepare for the PlayStation 6 in 2028, 27, we don't know. Man, I'm already dead. This year was already a catastrophical with my heart. Blah blah blah. Exactly. There's a car to store up. Finally, the ultimate form. Well, later for that one. Yes, in 2 days I didn't play, so the contract was dead. Died. I wish the food ride is coming again. I think actually 8 blueprints for the food raid to get. 7 days, forget it. Actually, it doesn't matter what I'm taking for. Just 2 days actually I can get in. That's today, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday is working again. Well, let's see. Next week is raining already. Hard time on the construction work that to be done anyway. Maybe a coming Monday up as well at night time or in the morning time. I don't know. Not so important. Oh, okay. One is was not a count. I think that was these one, right? It's not counting. It's always popping up in here. So what's then you? Another ones? Nothing special. Special solo club event. Okay. Win the race is always difficult in daily events in here to win anyway. I want to have a D car. A C car, a B car. It's a short one. 53. $1995, 1976, but I now has unlimited actually nitro as we already know. Pump Lelacine this car up. Lelacine? I can't even speak that out because the music is so loud here right now, my earplugs. Top chat, live chat, get it on. If you have Spotify, you already jam into it. If you just tap on that to Spotify and get actually these live jam music what I'm listening for and can change actually the tracks on it if you want. What about claiming? Get me down there, get me down there. Oh god. Lights. What's it called? Buy, not my, right? Fucking hell. $40, right? Already was waiting for that stuff. 0. 53. I didn't watch. Was the drifting as well on it? No. Win, finish, and 53 seconds. Everybody say nope. Easier 53. Couldn't win now. Oh, we won. Easier 53. Stop using nitro, goddammit. Hey, yeah, my bank is full. I think everybody's bank is full because you have to pay for that stuff. Who's paying for the video game? I did actually pay for the video game for 4 months ago. For a complete month, twice. $18 for the window. Because the month was running out and I paid again, actually, these $10 then. It was only for $8 actually I paid for 5 days, and that month was running out. I didn't know. I thought actually you pay for 30 days, but 5 days for $7, $8. So I paid again on DJ Virgin account. But I was bringing a lot of actually stuff with. So in under 4 weeks I was platinized the game. And I'm hanging around with these 3 games, actually with these 3 accounts in here, PlayStation Network accounts, another 3.5 months actually. So what the fuck. So to pay for the pass, for the Unite pass, you have to only see when you have a complete month full with 27 days. Or 28, I think. But I paid the first time on DJ Virgin account as I played the first time on my live this video game in the wrong moment. And the wrong completely moment. 5 days later they were saying actually you run out of the Unite pass. You can buy that actually right now for $10 for the next month. Yeah, wonderful. Paid actually twice. Damn it. So that's why I'm not paying for the Unite Pass anymore. But this Unite Pass brings a lot of actions in there for collecting actually the vehicle parts, the blueprints, I mean. So if you have the right action for $10 for 1 month, perfect. You can actually done the whole game in 4 weeks to platinum. For just $10, not more in the game to pay. The game is actually something worth, right, for me. Normal games, they have not even actions in there, no racing game, no nothing, not even original parts, not original cars, and they want to have actually $80 for it. And this game is for free. But if you pay $10, you can have platinum in 4 weeks. I was not even every day on them, on these 4 weeks. So I can say 3 weeks when I'm on every day, once or twice, you know, so done. 4 hours a day. And I'm on actually kind of, well, she was saying 4 accounts, I totally forgot. So we're talking about actually 400 to 500 hours I'm on the 4th account actually already on. Not platinized all 4 of them, only 1. But if I'm using these 4 PlayStation Network accounts and pay for everyone $10, then you're talking about $40 only for the game. And that game is for free. So it's not even that what it's worth. This game is for me $50 to $60 worth. Because actually, seriously fine ass. Here and there some issues, but exists actually since 7 or 8 years now. It's for free. I don't know what I'm talking about. This game is great, and at the same time, shit. But that's the server. The server is shit, but the rest of it is actually fine ass. And that's actually the the first game, all the times I give 5 stars from the PlayStation Network ID out, from this PlayStation Network. Because there's so many games you can give a 4 or 5 stars, but in the end, after 20 or 13 hours to play, and I play a lot of video games on console, you are not even give them 1 or 0 stars. A waste of money. And I played in my life actually on PlayStation Network since 2013. When was the first trophy coming up? Trophy list 2009. And there was a lot of games not even worth 1 star. So we're talking about more than 1,500 video games actually original I bought actually in my life since 2009, as the trophy was came out. But before, I don't know, on PlayStation 3, I played for the trophies. But there's so many games out there that's not even worth. There's some games out there you can play in kind of 15 to 20 minutes actually platinum, and it's just actually $2. Actually worth, but too cheap. You're not coming into this game there. That is boring. That cheap platinizings I hate. But I bought them already. I can use it on other accounts. I use them actually, so that's why this account here has already 9 platins. Because I use actually from DJ Volgin, this account actually, these I just bought actually for 3 years ago. The Freaker account, man, I bought actually over 800 games on PlayStation 4. Just gone, hacked away. Maybe it was Spain guy, maybe it was actually a construction worker from us, it was actually IT good in this hacking stuff. I don't know, just vanquished. Just $75,000 just gone. Between 2013, I can say, and 2022. It was a hard decision actually to say I buy anyway any more games on this console. So I found this game actually for 4 months ago, and I like it. The alcohol consume and smoking as well on cigarettes, of course. So done for that one as well. For the perfect one, the multiplayer race. Maybe later. We still have time. Meds on the Damnation CB account. I think it was as well. The Asterion I didn't actually get. Because the last time I saw actually another account has not reached these Asterion Lamborghini. I'm trying to get actually these magnesium pills in here, right? Hold on. And look at that. I don't know if you can see that. The magnesium calcium, and they're already broken. And if I'm getting some out of them, it's like you on cocaine or something. It's just like you're pressing them out, and then you got a problem. They're already cracked, right? And so if you get that in your hands, if these already, you have white powder in the hand, but to swallow actually 2 of them to 800 milligram, it's a disaster to swallow them. Ugh. Double hard. Alright, let's choke them. It's kind of actually, you try to swallow some small wood chips or something with beer. And you're frightened actually, they're stuck in your throat. Yeah. Eureka. Oh, I was close to actually vomit. Yeah, seriously. And these are original from last year bought, and they're holding 2 years. I don't know why that's just cracked up. I'm not this guy actually to get the package actually in the freezer or something, or somewhere else. I don't know what's going really on with them. Yeah. Alright, back up to this Hololive stuff. But don't worry guys, these are not drugs, these are magnesium calcium. Wake up in school. Get more info. If you not eat healthy, you need actually these. like vitamin D as well. If you are not eating actually meat, vegetarian or something, then you actually know what I'm talking about. Oh God, we're coming back in here. Where was we? $20 there, 20 here. Look, we need actually 179 of these music tokens there, HoloLive tokens, to reach stage 15. And another one. And another one, not the one to get in the in here. These are weird anyway. Was on the Sonic event as well. Let's see what's coming up in here. I know it's already getting a disaster. Yeah, see, we only got actually one try in here. You never can reach. If you're already in 7 or 8 years into this game, alright, I'm talking like a noob. You already have every car in this game, I know, without buying. Because every day you're playing this game. But I'm playing since 4 months. On 4 accounts. And you're running out of ideas in career mode even. So I don't know what happened in 7 years. How many cars you get for free, or blueprints better say. So I'm talking like a noob, okay? If I'm saying, okay, I can't take it, or can't get it, or I can't get some blueprints, you're always talking like, go to your showroom and go in here and there. Man, I'm here since 4 months, you know, we're talking. And these 4 months compressed into, when I'm saying hours, kind of a 500 hours. And these are really hardcore compressed. So maybe 400 hours I'm playing this video game on 4 accounts. 1 already platinized. I don't care about this account anymore. On this, for this game, I mean. It's 2,600 or something with the Honda Civic. But this retry is maxed out or what? But we have to play first with that car and see what's coming up in there. And then let's try out the Noble. I was all the time against touch drive. But since I'm actually on the Sonic event... Okay, on Sonic event I was not touch drive something. But as the other one comes up, and HoloLive right now, and sometimes career mode, it helps a bit here and there.
Members of my fast
but not
flock
much.
Always give it their best.
Have to say for
so,
sure.
Jailbird, get in there and win that race.
Because the braking, if you play by yourself, the braking is mostly impossible. You have to crash, you have to crap on the wall. And if you're playing on touch drive, somehow the car engine brakes better. Even in the corners, of course. Because the braking in-game by yourself on the control system of PlayStation 4 or 5 is completely fucked up. Yeah, see, and that's the problem. Already was saying actually go the right side, it didn't do. Oh, come on, why is it so far away? These events are worse than... Oh, go over there. Then Sonic went. No, no, go right! Why you don't go the right side? This is so fucked. Can I do it better? No. I think no. 91 to claim, let's see. Touch drive here and there, yes and no, but to 70% it helps you. It's best for the cell phone drivers. Can I say that? Cell phone drivers? Yeah, right? But if you're doing on a console with a gamepad, it's a disaster. You can't break your car like actually the touch drive doing that. or having the perfect control. It's impossible. You start up then to drift to slow down your vehicle somehow. But you saw two directions. I give actually to the right side. It gives a fuck. And the end as well. Go to the right side. I was going to the left side somehow. Muss ich scheißen vielleicht? Oh. Let's try shitting. I was lift today actually good weights. Complicated to touch, get, to have fine grip. Up the stairs, down the stairs. Oh hell. I feel like I just was raped. Our tank was driving over my body system once. Slowly. I think I'm getting old or something this crack, but the last 2 days I didn't actually drink some beer, so I was actually sober to do stuff like that, to heavyweight stuff. So it's just a bull crack. I should get me actually a girlfriend, running around with her, getting to other countries, blow away my fat on my body system, having a lot of fun actually in the bedroom, to getting some ass and back body muscles. Schirbo, Bruder! Schirbo! Das ist eine ganze Stunde lang. Du hast den Grund, am nächsten Tag daheim zu bleiben, wenn du dann ausgelaugt bist. That's a sound all the times. That doesn't feel like actually they're making some music or something in. It's like more like actually you have diarrhea and sitting on toilet and that boom, 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 boom. Oh gosh! I feel good, I feel fine. The alcohol weans actually into my brain. I'm getting calm, but fluid. Even this translation in English, God for sake. Yeah, there is one girlfriend, 94 kilometers in front of me. She's doing journalism. A lot of sporty activities going, a lot actually around the world. She's searching for someone. She's perfect. Like red hairs. Oh well, she didn't roll me back. Cause she got actually in a high school and she got diploma. I'm a construction worker and she's journalism. Oh, this is not so fine as I think. She will hate me for every part of my life. She's very sport active. I am not sport active. A lot of times get raped on the construction work. With weights. Coming home. Doing my stuff. Well, when she's a free ghost. Trying to get resources. To get information. Writing articles. Could be having a YouTube account. This weekend I try again to write her. My blasphemy, get her on. Dream on, boy, right? Dream on. Let's claim them. Alright, let's try it by ourselves. Let's see if we better ask the Dr. Dry. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, information. I don't care. The 700,000. I'm sorry, I have my cigarette in my mouth now. Why shall we play the church? I understood. These stupid tutorial notifications are so pissing me off. Every day, 2 or 3 times. If you have 4 accounts to do serving, kind of feeling like 12 to 1,000 times actually you get this information on another account again. If you change the language, my other PlayStation Network ID has the same language somehow. And the music sets from 0 to 100% background music back, and you get pissed in the beginning as you want to say, hello, and back up, here comes the Asphalt, Asphalt Legend Unite on the episode I Give a Shit, and this wonderful account what I have, but the music is so this is annoying, it's pissing me off, and you can't go to the options to go to the background music because you get so many informations. You won that one, you win this one. There's new games on new what's it called, events, you know, and you get. I want to only get the BGM in the beginning to 0 to talk. Ugh. And already you get pissed off. Then you get done 1 hour long these daily goals. Go to another account. The same crap happened. That pisses me off. What else? Cheers up, Kampai, na Strawberry City, so lose gold. Die next spielen. Kampai. Kampai. Fun the itch. Let's try. $91, eh?
Members of my fat flock always give it their best. So, Jailbird, get in there and win that race!
Nope. Wow, I can't deal it done. No chance. Holy shit. The system is somehow broken. Thought I can deal done a little bit better, but forget about it. That's crazy. It was my drifting, it was my speeding up. That was the same, what's it calling? The same direction I was going actually as on these touch drive. And I lost 20, exactly 20, what's it calling? Hololive tokens. No, not Hololive tokens, the music tokens there. I was Verser. What the fuck? I say so. Sometimes. Wow, exactly 20. That's so fucked up. Already pumped it up. Saw that? I already was saying the information, don't show me that again. And it shows again. That was 5 minutes ago. And it shows again. Even I actually get on the left side and it was saying, okay, don't show me this again. The game was saying, go fuck yourself. Let's do it again to make you grumpy. Here we go again. It doesn't matter if I'm doing never show again, it wants to show again. Piece of shit. What is wrong with this game?
Members of my fat flock always give it their best. So, Jailbird, get in there and win that race!
The car was even faster on my feeling. Why the time run so fast off? I did a 91. Huh? The same track, the same actions, even without the touch drive I did with the Civic. What did I not touch? What is wrong with this game? Even if we're going to right side to jump in this. I don't understand. Maybe you get lesser seconds actually before, after the first try. Something is completely wrong in here. I give up. I really give up. Next maybe. I give a fuck. I give a fuck, man. I'm totally destroyed. I don't know what's going on with this car. Or with this game, better say. You can actually make a synchronizing on Magic Video Maker. How I was driving the first time, then the second time by myself, by controlling. And actually with a faster car as the Civic. And we was, I don't know how to get this best score anymore done. As it did the first time. There was a more than 20 seconds I got extra plus there, right? I'm confused. I give up. They just want to get us angry. I'm off in here. Fuck this shit. They're mad on us. They don't want let us to go forward anymore. Fuck this Nissan. This Nissan in this game is like the Mustang as well. The Ford GT as well. Piece of shit. I always drove them once. No! Go to claim. Oh my god, this menu is so a piece of shit. Can you feel my rage already? It's a piece of shit. And you get nothing for nothing. That just was nothing. Arschjaw. Schalt aus den Scheiß. Nothing changed. Nothing changed. You need blueprints all the time. Blueprints here and there. You can't win this one. Wow, that's the first level. We're on the second level and we can't go forward anymore. And I reached actually level 6 already, actually on DJ Volgin account, as I was platinizing the game easily. I don't know what's going on here in the greedy game. Can't even win the first one. Out of resources. Crazy. Oh, we can drive. We can drive that one. Let's see what just happened. Guess what? But so many times on DJ Volgin, even the Unite pass I was getting on the recommend rank on Red, I just tried. Sometimes I won. We tried it. Sometimes if you're first, they let you in. But I couldn't go first. There was only one car there in the front. I couldn't beat that car. Oh well. You see us in a half year. Maybe. Or I just quit the game. Fuck the plotting. Yeah, that's it with the career, since actually, I think a half month now. Be stuck. I need to speed Takeshi Sato account, the Have Nation CB account, be stuck. I'm not getting blueprints nowhere anymore. It's only the daily events that give you something. If it's not the money, then it's the blueprints. If not the blueprints, then it's actually your shame. What the shit will I get you? What car? S Cup. We don't have an S Cup car. The Sonic event was awesome. There was the AXX or ACCS or what was that? You was get actually a beautiful car, and that was bringing me so much forward in the game on DJ Volgin account. But since the Sonic event is not actually, I think it's 1 time in a year you can have that event, then that S car brings you so much forward in every campaign mode. And that was just my luck actually. Oh, shit the fuck, I know. I do not know, dude. It should be faster. But I think it was a 34, right? It's impossible. Need a 6-star car. I know. Thank you, Lord. Ooh, that was close. Oh, get me down to the next. I hate that so much. This menu is a piece of shit. Ugh. You do the D-pad, you do the analog, it doesn't matter, you go down, you have to go forward, left, right, down at the same time, nothing works. Oh, I hate this game so much sometimes for this main menu and all these shit. It's so typical for us. Here we go again. That was 20 seconds, left, right, go down to the next. You can speed up whatever you want. One mistake and you can't do it. Now it's time to make nonsense driving. Waste of time driving. Career, we don't can claim anything, so I give a fuck about the multiplication actually on these credits, because on these career single player mode you get actually a lot of credits. If you want, I actually maxed myself by 72, and that was on Need for Speed Takeshi's out of account, 72,000 credits in one race by free, what's it calling? On one event, these are free challenges. So the maximizer was a 72,000 credits. I even got a picture of that. We want to have another blueprint of a car we don't have. So this, what the fuck? Should I use that car or should I use Agnes' car? This is our car to watch for the day, right? Not the DC. DS, I mean, sorry. Do the HoloLive drive, come on. You should drive the vehicle then. Call the live stream HoloLive, so here we go. A C car twice. That's why we didn't get actually the blueprint. I tried actually a B class on an A class. I thought actually you have to use an A class for that. And twice a B class to require class C. God damn it, I always get tricked by that. That menu is a piece of modern hell. Maybe on cell phone it's better designed, but not on the console. I stalk. I stalk. Let's go down. Oh, many times I tried that. Oh, well we did. 8 times, okay. No, it was a 6 times ride. Let me see. No, it was 8 times. I don't know. It was actually on this. Oh crack! I don't know. No, it was 8 times. It was 8 times. So we need now what? A C car. Oh, now we need a C car twice to get actually a B car's blueprint. C car. Oh gosh, hell. Send some actually something else in my ass. I know the drill. Oh, it's just only once refilled? Career mode, you actually get it refilled 10 times per one. and the nitro's gone. So the C-core is worse than the D-core. Here we go again. The struggle continues. The struggle continues. Try another C-core. It will. The worst C-core we have. Right. Yes! See if we can deal down the 38 seconds. My thinkings? No. Meanwhile. Oh yeah, easy. Crazy. Even faster as on the 300 ranked points more. Camaro, I mean... no, the Dodge Challenger. The car is normally slower than the other car and we've done actually a second faster. Huh. BMW. Arigato. Not enough money. So 1 hour left and then I'm leaving the race field. For today. Maybe I'm coming back at 11 o'clock, at 16 o'clock here right now, 4 o'clock PM. Maybe I'm coming back 11 PM or something. Maybe. But on another actually PlayStation Network ID. Not done yet. There's a D class 2 times. What I should saying? Put out. Get off. All alive car, where are you? Oh, there it was. Yep, exactly 2 runs. Cheers up, kampai. Našel si ljudi, so skoj proti nekšpim. Je čorek sad. Whoa, where are we going? Improvisation. Gosh, 5 seconds actually into the mist. think I need a walkie or something. This crap. That was close. Are you shitting me? 11k? Come on. 15k. Why? What's these bonus plus points, VIP and whatever? Oh gosh, what the hell was that crash for? Yeah. I think I'm looping the music, right? On my Spotify playlist. My live jam, actually. I think I hear the music right now more than 14 minutes already. It calms me down. The right chicks are talking actually in the song. Then I'm calmed down. Some male actually making some metal music. I feel like, oh gosh, what the hell? Stop. You're getting gay or something. Los demonios. It's a mix of I need to go to shit and pee in the same time, so I sit down. Everybody makes actually some fun face. And then we make the real one. Now I have blue lips. Hold on, sack, right? Come on. Muss aber das richtige Foto geschossen werden. Look crazy. Kotz freut sich auf dem Balkon, weil da schon zwei Pflanzen rumliegen und der Humus auf dem Boden ist. Wo ich nicht scheißen kann. Haben wir wieder zugemacht wegen dem Wind, oder? Oh ja, und der Wind geht noch gescheit. Leckt mich am Arsch. Ich werde die Tür bald aufmachen. Dann haben wir's, oder? Was ist denn ständig mit diesen Nachrichten hier? Jetzt Wochenende, dann kommt immer nur Scheißdreck. Das ist meistens so. Boah, ist der schwach. Leck mir am Arsch. Das sieht schon da bescheuert aus. Da los. Das ist die scheiß Sonne, oder? Dreckswind noch dazu. No. Da drüber gewischt. Hm. Eigentlich nicht. Oh ja, da ist was drauf. Da habe ich drüber gewischt anscheinend. Schau mal. Ja, da habe ich drüber gewischt. Da bin ich drüber gekommen mit dem Lumpen. Jetzt so, macht schon mehr Sinn. Na, ich möchte nicht hin. Also immer das Phantom Squad ist. I hate multiplayer. It's so boring. Phantom Squad. Keinen Schimmer da. Wird auf jeden Fall sehr nervig. Ja klar, es geht gleich los. Das hab ich ja so satt, Alter. Das hab ich so satt, Alter. Wenn es gleich wieder losgeht und du weißt gar nicht, was überhaupt geht. Oh mein Gott. What they just did on this multiplayer mode. There's someone actually with a very bad connection on it. Destroys the whole fucking feeling. This is this guy actually in front of me. Wow, this guy in front of me just hooks up all the time. I don't know what's going on with him. He maybe come from deep Moscow or something. Oh, deep from Russia or something. That's it. Stalker, man. That's why I hate multiplayer. It's a piece of shit. Yeah, that guy in front of me actually, the drink some digits or something makes a very bad connection. Fuck's sake, dude. Look what the fuck just happened here. How you just wanna drive? Since 1 week actually, I got these problems in online. Somebody's hacking, cheating, have a bad connection, I don't know what's going on. I hate this multiplayer, I hate it. Since we have actually these upgrade in here, it just started up like that. Synchronization is 0 here. This is so fucked up, this game. Getting worse and worse. They can't handle these games anymore, these server games anymore, the server itself. I don't know what's going on in here. And I hate when it starts and you're not ready already because you're sneezing, you start to drink a bit. Yeah, the other guy, I don't know. Already a weird PlayStation Network ID. I don't know. So many hackings away. So many stuff that just get hacked. Yeah, now we're waiting. We complete. What is going on? Ah, crack! Yeah, no, of course we're doing this again to waste time. To waste 20 seconds now. Oh, fuck yourself, you cheater. Multiplayer is useless for me. It's useless. Yeah, sure. Let's claim everything because I'm running out of time. This game makes no fun to continue anymore. Nope, not really. I don't need upgrades when the car is a piece of shit. It doesn't matter what kind of a car I'm using, I'm losing anyway. What a disaster! Where was the first one? Only saw the DS actually in front of me. Where was the Camaro? Maybe he cheated front of it or something. You don't know. What's with these wait sign there? What's that meaning? To get special stuff right now, as we don't have. Oh, I hate this game so much. No information where the other one get extra stuff to, I don't know. Original stays original. Done. For what? Very interesting. Who played that card? Ah, don't waste your money. It doesn't matter what you're driving anyway. Oh, I can't use the BMW because it's maxed out in here. That's fucked up. Car regulated. Upgrades are not available. Or maybe they're hacking and cheating around with some information that I don't have. Fuck it. Now be ready, and nothing happens. God damn it, what the hell? Ja, natürlich. fuck, press the wrong button. Leck mich am Arsch, warum fahr ich denn überhaupt noch? Okay, it's not the way down, it's actually level down car. Oh, okay, fuck it then. Useless, dude. Go somewhere else. Boring. Kein Bock mehr, Alter. Ich hab keinen Bock mehr auf diese scheiß Konsolenleben. Es hat sich ausgekonsolt, wenn man so keine Freunde einladen kann, wenn man nichts mehr machen kann. Es wird immer schlimmer, Alter. Deswegen fahr der einfach auf die PlayStation 6 und da wird es noch schlimmer. Kannst du nicht mal wieder Karriere oder Singleplayer spielen, da wette ich drauf. Da geht's bloß noch um Multiplayer spielen. Wer schlechte Internet hat, und ich habe echt ein gutes Internet, der hat komplett verloren. Konsolen wird es eh bald nicht mehr geben. Hängst du mit dem Handy beim Arzt ab und zockst du die ganze Zeit. Und deine Gesundheit, scheiß drauf. Bist da eingewiesen wegen Schizophrenie oder something. Gott, ich hab so keinen Bock mehr, Alter. Ich habe eigentlich noch vor, die letzten Jahre, bevor ich verrecke, Alter, noch zu pimpern, Alter. Wenn ich mal eine richtige finden würde. Ich finde nicht mal eine. Dann bleibt's beim Hand anlegen. Ach, ich hab keinen Bock mehr aufs Leben. Alles ändert sich. Und für mich wird alles nur schlimmer. Kurz davor dabei, dass ich irgendwas anderes heute noch mitnehme. Sind die schon fertig? Wollen die heute nicht mehr? Oder wie schaut's aus? Uhrzeittechnisch? Wir haben die Schnauze schon voll. Muss der Christopher wieder drüber krackeln. Oh mein Gott. Die brauchen noch 2 Wochen. Nächste Woche regnet es, sind auch nicht da. Oh. Ich komme von der Seite, ich komme von der Seite. Rotz. You do not know what kind of what's it calling league you are playing. Can happen. Maybe I'm still on the what Bros 3, Bros 2, Bros 1. You have to press, and then you just get disappointed. So you're nothing worth. That league you can play. No, you don't can play. So it's useless to play anywhere in here. What bullshit is this? Just a lock game. Yes! We're gonna hear actually your chair slashing. Und jetzt wir denken, ja, dir werden wir noch helfen. Oh, jetzt sind sie eh schon da. Wahnsinn. Jetzt haben sie mich schon. Es kommt, es kommt, es kommt. Blindly people can win with the... Oh my gosh. They can't even win the easiest race. Oh, whatever. I'm inside fucked up, so I'm not actually making stretch my level of frustration anymore, up or down. I give a fuck. But it was fun, I have to say. My testosterone was actually by 10% plus. That was actually everything the whole week long. The maxed out. Oh man, I wish a girlfriend actually with a nice fun ass and it's gonna be actually 100% up. But I'm more in a year, actually 1 year, I'm going down by 25%. So actually I'm by minus 225 or more. But the testosterone level is actually so much into the dark side, into actually dark numbers, digits, I don't know where it is. Life is a piece of shit. Not get actually sexed up by easy things anymore. I thought I actually just want to go actually sip off the pants and just want to say, I just want to masturbating actually on that girl. Even I don't know her. She's looking for, oh, but actually I'm so far away now. That is starting up actually. I took the pills for hard 5 weeks ago. Completely my testosterone is dead. I don't know what kind of cars I drive in. Where's the Hyundai? I don't have the Hyundai. Only maybe the cell phone has the Hyundai or the Xbox has the Hyundai. Cheers. Shit. There's always a Hyundai. I don't know where they get them. Oh no, it was a Porsche. Ooh, look at that. Porsche won this time. Okay, where did Toyota came from anyway? The Hyundai and Toyota GR, I don't know where they get them from. It must be from the Switch or something. They have them. I don't know. Switch versus Xbox versus myself, PlayStation 4 Pro. Naja, still the other one running. So 20 to 25 minutes left and then I'm leaving. Der Sieg ist wieder auftaucht, ne? Ja. No, I don't want to go for it. Go yourself in this bank. Give me just the next league. Oh my god, please. We don't can raise it. Yet. Fuck it then. Seriously. Let's try out the Porsche as well. I'm the better driver then. Okay. No, never expect to go there. Morton, Shotgun. Holy. This is gonna be a crazy one. It's my only chance to drift. Double the same guy wins in here, as he cheats. It doesn't matter what he takes on, he's winning all the time. Whatever. Some cars, they're very uninteresting. So one I want to smoke, and then I'm leaving. Ach, jetzt soll die Karre fahren oder was? Weil ich jetzt kann oder wie? Sehr witzig. The other guy with a supercar already. Jawohl! Moxie Shoxy! Here we go, Ollie! Oh yeah! Yay! Finally! Oh, I'm happy, I need to stand up. Consolation! Hey, so oft wird ja auch nicht genutzt, ne? Du Hirsch. Erste Mal erst nach, glaube ich, 3 Wochen oder was. Geht doch. Focusation. Das ist für die extremen Sorgen. Ja, aber man sollte trotz alledem darauf schauen, dass eigentlich sowas gar nicht erst kommt. Dass erst sowas erst gar nicht überhaupt existiert. Das war der Julian, 100%ig. Supri! Supri hast du das gemacht. Oh, finally something that pushes me up and saying, yay! That was just only a yay. I'm already gonna go. Hey, Koichi, ole, we won! Yeah. Sugoi! Pum, 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 pum. Money cash in. Men not to one. And the other head supercars. Whoa, what happened? Oh! Hello, done. Am I going wrong? Should have said 4 in the front. What I'm driving, it feels like a GSS4 I'm driving here. I'll just power back. Where's this eternal loud, goddammit? Yeah, I want half the full ride. I can't never have it. So it's cheated. If somebody has the full ride, it's cheated. There's something wrong with them. Will be in a billionaire or something. I have to say billionaire because it's in Germany, actually milliardary. It's so bullshit you're talking Americans with these money. You was thinking you're something better than Germany. With what? Exactly, nothing. That hurts. Maybe I'm the only guy that can't use that card. Let's just see. Very instant. That's why I hate this multiplayer so much. And then they give you a track, so you can use nothing anymore in here. But you hate the track already. Fucking light. Oh god, what kind of an idiot is in here? Somebody actually all the time destroying the whole live stream, the whole multiplayer race, the whole multiplayer server anyway. And he won with the same car I drove. How? Definitely cheated. The same car. Whatever. The doomsday has an end. 17 on the clock. Fuck this game. Hey, whatever. Nobody cares about your wings. You don't even have the stupid car. And the car is useless. It is useless, this car. Did a 1K today. That's fucking weird that people can in one day 1 million. Cheaters. You can only deal down to 2,500. You have 25 members, you can't deal down 1 million. These are cheaters. PC, Xbox hackers. Career, we can't end up. Finish first, career. Forget about it. For what? For what anyway? For what car? Career. Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. Where? For the second race. Oh, I'm glad to see what's going on in here now. Das 6er ist, oder? Dann heute gehe ich los. I lost. Wow, I lost. You have to do it manually for easy racings like that. You piece of shit. You can't even replay. Restart. No, you can't deal, done nothing. You have to find the same account. This is an asshole game sometimes. Yeah, let's do it by myself then. This game is made by not actually on the console drive, touch drive. No wonder people ask me why I came so far actually on DJ Volgin or the other account, not this account. So far away actually on this career mode. Single player mode. Because there's no career story mode, there's nothing. Because these people on cell phone can't drift. It's very important actually here, drifting actually this game. That's why easily you can win that. He's a jockey, man. Dominik, der war noch mehr Zeit. Er sagte so in der Rippe von der fährt sowieso erst ab Mittwoch los. Ich hätte ihm das Tankgeld geben. Stockholm-Syndrom. Where is it? I don't get it. It's a career, right? Finish first in career. Oh, 50th anniversary edition. Go fuck yourself. I'm out of here. Bye bye. Have a nice time. Oh no. I'm not giving this up with the shit. 50th anniversary car. You ass fucking shit game. What kind of a car are you using for? The Chevrolet Camaro LT, not 50th anniversary concept. Wow. You've been a piece of shit on me. Where is it? It's not in here. Wood. Hello? Not in here. Wow. You've been an asshole, you know that? Your game being an asshole. Where can I use that car? You fuck shit. You can't even press on these buttons. If you're going to the season fuck asshole missions, I do not know where that I can drive that vehicle. This game is so much actually explore yourself asshole situation. You piece of asshole shit game. Thank you very much for no information. You've been an asshole, you know that? An asshole. Thank you very much, you asshole game. I have to say it like that because the game is an asshole. Now I can search by myself. Investigate or being actually someone else. You've been an asshole, okay? Shit game. If your time running out, I have no time for doing that stuff. You've been an asshole. You've been an asshole. Don't search for that one. I don't know where it is. Go to the showroom. Go fuck yourself. Or actually not shut down the fucking console. See that? The stupid like, I don't know where I have to go. This menu is a piece of shit. You want to go to the showroom? I can't get the actually exit side. You have to go on this one or go into this. What do you want to have? You first want to have to actually delete the car that was already in there. You being an asshole. This game is a piece of shit. With a stupid menu. You can't have that car anyway, so fuck this game. Fuck everything off. Already we have that Honda. What do you want from me? So you push the button or not? Select the event. Do you want to select this event? My middle finger is ready to shovel up to your nose. Maybe I won't. See your events. Maybe you can have the car in there, or maybe not. What are you doing? Can we play now for one's sake? God shit. Maybe. I'm not sure what I'm dealing done in here. Thanks for no information. Now I maybe got a blueprint in 100 years. You're always being a snitch. You stupid shit game. Yeah, let's go for yourself. For whatever we just dealing done, there's no mission to deal done. Win the race, for what? Win 5 million races and maybe get one blueprint. What's the aim? What is on in here? For why I'm doing this busy, stupid ass wide open shit game. I have no mission, man. That's why I'm driving touch drive right now. It's bullshit I'm doing in here. Sometimes you have to do done actually 20 races with specification challenges. And then another challenges in the same race to do jumping up. Should I win? Should I what? There's nothing actually aimed on in here. My screen is bigger than actually 5 slots. Assets! This game is so unattractive from information, it's boring. Even World of Warcraft was 1994 actually more information like this game actually 50 years later, it feels. Typical flaws. I thought you're falling down, you piece of crap. Once we need you in a fucking on these fucking career mode. Once. And that's why we have to do grinding this one 2 years long out. Deine Mutter, Alter. You're pissing me so much off, you fucking game. Yeah, blah blah, no love, yeah, you know this shit. And maybe, yeah, of course, if you get all the condition 15 times. 15 times to be so good. Who is doing this in the showroom? No one. You are a piece of shit game, you know that? Pay for better server actually, you piece of shit. That's it. Once I'm driving it, and it's so boring as crap. This game is a piece of shit. I don't care about actually friendships. You know why? We can't play together. For what? I should invite you, man. Delete it. This game is a piece of shit. You bundle up your ass, man. You bundle for buying off your ass. If you're a multimillionaire, maybe you can buy a little bundle. This is even fucked up. It's still loading. I have the best connection on the internet, and it's still loading because the server's just raping us off. It doesn't matter how many actually you have to pay. A 500. Actually, diamonds are worth like actually I think $15 or something. Go fuck yourself. Bye bye, you shit game.